Hello, everyone. My name is Natalie Cruz. I'm an instructor and advisor in the Department of Advising and Academic Development. Today, I wanted to share with you briefly about some great opportunities that you have for some academic support through the Waha Zone and some upcoming workshops. So, the Waha Zone has been providing academic support for quite a while. You probably have heard about it in relation to your English courses with the academic writing support. So that's definitely a service that you can utilize if you are thinking about getting help with any stage of the writing process. They can help you with that. It's not an editing service, but they can help you think through how to best structure your paper and maybe some bigger errors you're making. So for the next little bit, we are also offering the opportunity for any questions you have related to advising, career planning, also related to courses Gen 120, which is life skills, and 220, which is fundamentals of entrepreneurship and innovation. So I'll be helping out with some of that. So as you can see here, these are the hours in the on the female side in FF30069. You can see that there are plenty of opportunities offered each day. On the male side in MF32069, there's also opportunities for academic writing support and advising and support for life skills and fundamentals of entrepreneurship and innovation. So what you can do if you are interested in receiving some assistance through that, you can book through Grades First. So how do you do that? Well, let's show you. So when you go to Grades First, which is zu.gradesfirst.com, you log in using your ZU ID and password. You're going to click Tutor Appointment next to the course that you're concerned, so English course, or maybe your 120 or 220 or Advising 101. Then you'll select your location, you'll select your time and your date, and then you'll click Submit, and you'll get an email confirmation, and it'll show up with a tutor. So you can also just drop by during some open hours that we have. If someone is there, then and available, they'll be happy to help you without an appointment, but we encourage you to make an appointment. The last thing I wanted to mention is about an upcoming workshop we have next week. So if you've ever wondered about what academic integrity is or plagiarism, want to make sure that you're being the best version of yourself academically here at ZU, this is a great opportunity for you to come and to learn about what that looks like, what's acceptable, not acceptable, what are some of the processes here at ZU. So that's happening on Sunday, February 4th in F1 during the common break. So make sure you sign up in FF30073, which is the Dean's office. We're also offering a opportunity for the male campus on Wednesday, and you can sign up in the Dean's office over there. We'll be offering a variety of other workshops throughout February, throughout the semester, related to English, related to global, related to IT and science. So please take advantage of those as well. So thank you very much for your time. Please feel free to follow up with me, and I will have your professor send along a few attachments to you in case you have any more questions. Thanks, and have a great semester.